They almost had to cut off my leg.
Let's go.
What's going on, guys? I haven't uploaded in over, I'm looking at my channel here, and it's been like a couple of years. So I started SG rollerblading and I made a bunch of videos, tutorials on how to skate. And since I live in Chicago, we have pretty mild winters. So the first winter, obviously can't skate during the winter. So it took a couple month hiatus. And then that following summer, I happened to get a new job, which took a bunch of time out of my life where normally I could, go skate and do stuff like that. Most recently, I was in a little bit of an accident, and I'm still recovering from that accident. The accident ended up, I ended up breaking my tibia, fibia, my right wrist, my hip, and dislocated the hip, chipped a tooth, and yeah, they almost had to cut off my leg. And I don't say that. I hate even saying that, because it's like, okay buddy, but like, it was bad. I'll show you some footage of my leg right here, and you guys can see for yourself. Kind of just wanted to hop on, make this video, just because I haven't posted in a while, and the channel's still active, it's still getting views, people are still subscribing, which is like incredible to me. Since it's literally been, last time I uploaded was 2019 and it's 2022, and then we also had that pandemic, and just, life just happens, So right now the future for me is just to keep hitting physical therapy, try and get myself back to a position where I can go out and skate, I can go out and do things, go out and run, Right now I'm walking with a limp, and it's kind of shitty. I will say, once I am better, I do want to get back on the skates. I'm like, honestly, it's my favorite pastime activity. I want to get back on the skates. I want to get back on the skateboard. I want to get back on the park, So, but it's just one of those things that's gonna take a long time. It's already been, it's actually been a year since the accident, and I'm still recovering from it. So, as you can see in the pictures, it was a pretty gnarly accident. I think that's all I wanted to say. Thank you guys for showing the support. It's super cool to see people viewing and commenting on these videos. I just wanted to spread what I grew up, I grew up and saw like a rollerblader, and I was like, that's what I want to do. Learned how to do it, and I wanted to pass that on, If you're enjoying the channel, hit the like. If you want to see me get back on the skates eventually, hit the like, and leave a comment. And if you're still active on the channel, leave a comment. All right. I apologize. I can't believe it's been three years since I posted on this channel. So everything else said, that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys hopefully very soon. Peace.